There we go, guys. Wilmot's attractions just coming in now with Air Raid here at DW Stadium in Wigan. Good to see this ride here. I was at Llandudno there over the weekend. Get this for you guys coming in. We've got Air Raid coming into DW Stadium. Get yourselves down to DW Stadium here in Wigan over the next couple of days or so. Fair opens on Thursday. One of the big main rides, you've got Wilmot's Air Raid 2 down, just coming the ground. Not to be missed here at DW Stadium. It's absolutely amazing to see this ride here at DW Stadium in Wigan. So yeah, there is quite a lot of rides coming in at the moment on build up. We've got Sizzler is already built up. We've got Silcox's Miami as well, just over the back. As well, you've got Cowie's Dodgems, you've got Cowie's Ice Mountain, and you've got Marshall Hill's ski jump there as well, and with a couple of juveniles a little bit further down. But yeah, rides are still arriving. It is build-up day, and as I said, it's good to see Wilmot's attractions here with Air Raid 2. Get yourselves down to DW Stadium in Wigan.